The H1B Guy here. Today, the H1B Guy news for the week ending June 9th, 2023. Today I'll cover 90% of H1Bs laid off find new jobs, H1B salary data for fiscal year 2022, and the H1B visa program is in need of reform. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. Love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the H1BGuy.com. Today's news is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner, Mob Squad, has a solution. Join the squad. Now, the news. In a post on Fortune that was posted on May 26, 2023 by Ben Zweig, discusses how 90% of laid-off H-1B visa holders were able to find new work against all odds. Revelio Labs is a company that specializes in analyzing publicly available workforce data, and they recently conducted a study on employment outcomes of H-1B visa holders who were laid off. The findings shed light on the resilience and adaptability of immigrant workers, as well as the need for greater flexibility in the H-1B visa program. Revelio Labs research revealed a remarkable success rate for laid-off H-1B visa holders, with over 90% of them securing new employment. Immigrants, in fact, found new work 10 days faster than native workers, largely due to their willingness to relocate for job opportunities. While 67% of non-immigrant workers changed roles after being laid off, only 49% of H-1B visa workers did the same. The study suggests that the reason behind this discrepancy lies in market demand. The tech sector, for example, offers numerous job opportunities for laid-off tech workers on H-1B visas, even as layoffs occur in prominent tech companies. This alignment between demand and available roles benefited visa holders, highlighting the importance of market sensitivity in talent pipelines. Revelio Labs data indicates that 78% of Fortune 500 companies currently struggle to fill critical positions for 6 months or more. This shortage of skilled workers could be alleviated if the H-1B visa program provided greater flexibility for visa holders and fostered stronger collaboration between public and private entities to direct qualified talent where it is most needed. By embracing these changes, the program could effectively address labor shortages and meet market demands more efficiently. Despite the ongoing layoffs, labor shortages persist in various industries, and as Revelio Labs found, over 43.4% of companies experienced challenges in filling more than 50 technical roles in the past year. This staggering statistic further emphasizes the need for innovative solutions and bridging the gap between available talent and job vacancies. Revelio Labs research also sheds light on employment outcomes for laid-off H-1B visa holders. It highlights the importance of continuing to have market sensitivity and flexibility in our immigration policies. Study's findings underscore the potential of the H-1B visa program to address labor shortages by aligning talent with market demand. In a post on June 5th, 2023 by Stuart Anderson for Forbes titled Immigration Agency Report Shows High H-1B Visa Salaries, provided data from a USCIS report for fiscal year 2022. According to the Characteristics of H-1B Specialty Occupation Workers fiscal year 2022 annual report to Congress published by USCIS, H-1B visa holders in computer-related occupations earned a higher than average salary. In 2022, the average annual salary for these professionals stood at $129,000, with a median salary of $123,000. Between 2018 and 2022, the median salary saw a substantial increase of 26%, with the average salary rising by 23%. The rapid salary growth for H-1B visa holders in computer-related occupations indicates promising prospects for the future. At the current pace, it is estimated that the average annual salary for these professionals could reach approximately $200,000 within the next decade. This projection underscores the high demand for their skills and the value they bring to the U.S. job market. H-1B visa holders often face the need to change employers due to various reasons, such as career advancement or better opportunities. In fiscal year 2022, a significant number of H-1B visa holders, amounting to 123,888, were approved to change to a new employer. However, this mobility poses a challenge for individuals waiting for their green cards. Changing employers may require restarting the green card application process and only prolonging the wait time for permanent residency. Although Congress has enacted H-1B portability rules to address this issue, they may not provide an ideal solution for all visa holders. International students also play a vital role in the H-1B visa program. In 2022, approximately 44% of approved petitions for initial employment were granted to students in F1 or F2 status. This figure amounted to 57,938 students approved for H-1B petitions via a change of status. It is important to note that this statistic doesn't account for international students who obtained H-1B status through consular processing. Additionally, thousands of spouses, children of H-1B professionals, exchange visitors, and individuals in L1 status were also approved for H-1B petitions via change of status within the U.S. in 2022. The request for evidence RFE process has been a time-consuming and often frustrating aspect of the H-1B petition adjudication process. However, a significant development occurred after a successful lawsuit against USCIS in 2020. This has led to a remarkable decrease in the number of petitions subject to RFEs. In fiscal year 2020, approximately 29% of H-1B petitions were subjected to RFEs, which decreased to about 10% by fiscal year 2022. This change streamlines the adjudication process and reduces the uncertainty and delays for visa holders. In closing out, in an op-ed post on Above the Law by Tamina Watson titled "The H-1B Visa Program Needs Thoughtful and Urgent Reform," that posted on June 6th, 2023. Quote, "My clients are generally small to medium-sized businesses, and those which filed H-1B applications this year lost out. Of the immigration lawyers I've spoken to, most reported less than 10% selection rate. The majority of the beneficiaries of these cases were likely international students who graduated from U.S. schools. And while the impact of this is not yet visible, it will, in my opinion, be far-reaching." So what is the impact of this situation? When small to medium-sized businesses file H-1Bs, it can be a big decision because there is a real cost behind it, both in attorney and filing fees, but also in precious bandwidth they must use in order to prepare the filing that affects their bottom line. They apply because they need the employees and often can't find qualified Americans to do the job. Reforming the H-1B visa program is urgently necessary for America because it has the potential to affect our economic growth. At a minimum, the cap should be increased to meet demands of the economy. In addition, reasonable measures should be put in place to combat fraud. Both the administration and Congress need to work together to address this problem. The next lottery will be due in March 2024, so we don't have any time to waste. While I agree with Ms. Watson's call for H-1B visa reform, and I also agree with some of the reasons that she provided, I disagree with increasing the H cap without first removing quota caps for country of birth for employment-based preferences. It's clearly evident, though, that small to medium-sized businesses are the ones experiencing the biggest impact on the current iteration of the annual H-1B visa lottery. Today's news paints a picture that the H-1B visa salaries are continuing to be on the rise year over year. Individuals on H-1B visas remain in high demand, and that the H-1B visa program as a whole needs common sense reform. For the full post on the H-1B Guy news for the week ending June 9th, 2023, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's news was brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H-1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesis and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesis or Path to Canada will be in touch. And by PERM-Ads.com, industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. company nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 6 weeks. So whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. employer or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.